This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Ethereum today. Ethereum got my attention. We'll come over here to the 15-minute chart. This morning, setting up here at the R4 Camarilla pivot level, based on the Camarilla pivot trading system, which is incorporated into my trading system. Any price action of a currency pair or any instrument that trades above the R4 level triggers a potential long all the way up to let's say like the R10 level, and then there are the levels that go up here. This is the R3 level here, this is the S3 level here. So with this setting up at the R4 Camarilla pivot level, it gets my attention. Then we'll come down here to the 4-hour chart down here. We'll see that this was the price range here in the pre-market that I had for Ethereum here on the 4-hour. This here being the low, this here being the high. So this being the range that Ethereum is trading in. So I would be looking for a breakout of that range, either in the form of a break of structure or a market structure shift. We can see here with Ethereum, Ethereum sold off and has been consolidating here or flagging since this sell-off here, just consolidating in this area. So looking for it to choose a direction, and then we can see price action. Buyers came in, supported the price action down here at the lower end after sweeping this liquidity down here. This is sell side liquidity down here. It swept sell side liquidity here. And then with that support, buyers were able to drive the price higher here with some aggressive buying. You can see the increase in volume here on this candle here. And then we'll go up to the 15-minute. I'll walk you through my entry. So the first thing here on this entry is I actually chose the wrong candle for the order block or initiation candle. I'm not sure if dojis are count as order blocks based on ICT techniques or strategies, but looking for entries, I typically will set my entry at an order block or at a bullish order block, which would be any sell candle in this area here. So this trade is coordinated with the New York Open, which would be right here. This candle would initiate the US Open here. This is all pre-market, all of this stuff back here. So with this setting up, with this being the R4 Camarilla pivot level here, we can see we get a close above the R4 level here, and then we get continuation of the price action breaking out above this level here. So this would trigger an entry signal for me to go long here on Ethereum. So Ethereum pulls back here. We can see the price action continues. Waiting until the open here, we can see that price action comes back down into here. I initially thought that this formed the order block or where I wanted to time my entry. So I time my entry right here at the open of this sell candle right here. After this entry, this is basically what I set my stop under here. After taking the trade and evaluating after the trade had completed, or just reviewing the trade, seeing that based on the entry here and based on this pullback, because this candle here actually went below this candle here. So at the pre-market here in this candle, I took a trade and it went below this candle. Here at the open, I caught this trade as it was going back, as it was being bought back up here. And then after reviewing the trade, seeing that actually this candle here initiated the price action that sold above and triggered the R4 long trade right here in this area. So having reevaluated this would be the initiation candle or the entry candle, and ideally I would want to set my entry right at the open of this candle here. So didn't get the best entry, didn't get the best timing. I will no longer be trading in the pre-market if I can remain disciplined. But this definitely showed me that wanting to get the best price or the best entry, just being really careful in these areas where you're seeing the price action. You're seeing all of these very small candles, all of these dojis together. In the future, hopefully I'm more disciplined and just working on it, just seeing that the low for this candle here being below here, this would usually give me the signal of, okay, this is the initiation here, because it's lower than this candle here. But that was not the case with this series of small candles or series of dojis here. They all kind of form a pattern that would initiate with this being the, let's say, the bottom of the move that triggers the R4 long trade potential here. So this is basically the entry setup here, and then I'm able to take an entry here. We get a little bit of consolidation here, and then buyers come in and step the price up, and we can see here the volume profile really picks up here in this candle where I'm able to take profits. And I take profits here at this level. This is the, what is this? This is R7. This is R7 up here. So I take profits up here at, no, I believe this is actually, yeah, this is R7. Take profits up here at R7. My profit taking was based off of a liquidity sweep of this level. So seeing that this here being the level, once there's a breakout long here, and then this candle here closes above this level here, or at least with the breakout, not even with the close of this candle, with the breakout of this level here, this range, targeting liquidity. So I was looking at targeting this buy side liquidity. Anyone who sold up here in these areas, these higher areas of the range, are going to have buy stops in this area. So my trade idea was, if there's a long breakout, just to target the liquidity up here, and then targeting that liquidity. It works out that I was able to take profits right here at this level. And then we can see later this price action right here, also with this increased volume. This is happening, I believe, at 5:30 New York time, This is Tesla had earnings today, the U.S. equity, and then they had a Q&A or a press conference, some type of press coverage, and this price action is happening during that event. And then we can see that, took the price action up here actually to like the R10 level. I had considered, since the price action got here so early, if I had underestimated the trade potential. But I'm comfortable with this particular trade idea. It's actually wound up being an 11-to-1 reward to risk ratio in this trade. So there was definitely more trade in there, but being greedy and having to sit through this consolidation, I don't know how that would have worked out, knowing that there were Tesla earnings and the potential for volatility in the markets after that had me interested. But when it comes to consistency, just basically wanting to target liquidity here, and I chose the Camarilla pivot target above this liquidity. So all in all, I think things worked out pretty well. Definitely figured out the error in the figured out the area in the entry here. But other than that, I think trade-wise, this worked out pretty sound. And this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.